Sure. So as I said, we at Superwise provide model observability as a service, meaning that basically we are vertical agnostic. We work with any company that is incorporated AI into their core business operation and provide them a layer of monitoring or observability. I mentioned few of the names, companies like Monday.com, Activision, a big gaming company, Klarna, and others. But while we are totally vertical agnostic, we do see that the financial sector is a very advanced one with the use of AI, which means that we see a lot of opportunities in the financial sector. Yeah, so I will divide the answer into two parts. I think, first of all, any kind of generative AI is, first of all, another type of AI, meaning that any type of generative AI application still need to be measured or monitored like any other AI application, even for the classical things like data quality and drift. For example, if you're using a foundation model that was, and most of them are mainly optimized for the English language,
Yeah.
But you still want to work globally, meaning that you still want to monitor the language that is being used because you don't want to experience any kind of drift regarding the language distribution. If people start and really use AI, that specific application more in countries that do not use English, you do expect to see degradation in performance. Now, we at Superwise help to detect those type of issues as we actually developed an amazing open source package called Elementa. That package now to connect to the prompts that your application provide and extend it and extend a lot of automatic meta features, things like language, things like sentiment, or even more complex stuff like profanity, and then to connect it to Superwise to monitor that to detect drift or other issues.
Since now we have more than 400 different financial technology providers who have like various sets of data and also like different models, be it credit decisioning or loan processing, or even on fraud side. So various use cases are, within these different segments that use AI in general. And on top, I think generative AI kind of brings this better experience in terms of like synthesizing or getting that decisioning data, relevant data that's good for them to process or progress into those use cases. I think that's kind of where a lot of the focus is, like how can we better our customer experience, be it internal or external end users, and make it as seamless as possible.